turn. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today, I'm just gonna be shredding with Kyle. Kyle is here, and Harley has been attacking Kyle's new Rustler. And today will be my first time driving the Baja Ray with the new body. It's on the charger right now. This charger will charge 2 batteries in like 30 minutes. It's super fast and quiet, doesn't even make a sound. And once it's charged, then we can really shred.
A few moments later.
I just saw the drive shaft come out.
Yep.
No. Why you come out?
That happened before? Has that ever?
I have more bolts for it though. Oh, it's hot. Ow. I think the bolt just came out, but I have like 80 some Vipers. Yeah, let's go fix this sucker. So this just happened, went around the turn and went to go hit the jump, and the drive shaft decided it's done. Here it is. It's super hot. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Really appreciate it. My dog Harley is really tired, and thanks to Kyle for driving the Rustler. And gotta get the Ray fixed, and then new car spoiler is going to be coming soon. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Later. Harley, you tired?